finds that opiates elevate pain threshold by interrupting pain transmission through ascending pathway and also by activating inhibitory pathway and thereby decreasing brain's awareness of pain. So now the two pathways are impacted. One is the pain transmission through ascending pathway and then also activating inhibitory pathway. So I think I explained to you with an example in the class, but I thought, I'll draw a little cartoon. So here is your peripheral tissue to the hand or your leg or whatever. And then spinal cord, this is brain. So let's say you got a tissue injury. This is like the fire, you touch fire. So this information is passed to spinal cord using this by the help of this sensory neuron, saying that, hey, I just touched something which is hot and injury occurred. Immediately spinal cord motor neurons send this signal, say, hey, you want to move this from the site of injury. So now this is basically a protective mechanism, yes, a reflex protective mechanism, but now basically look at that, what happens. This information is also related to higher brain center. And then in response to that, what basically brain does, it increases this descending inhibitory neuron activity. So what this neuron is going to do, look at that. Just look at this, guys. It's going to stop this information going back to the brain, saying that you still have pain, but you're less aware about that. So and I think so. This statement which is right here. They interrupt pain transmission ascending pathway, which is going out to the spinal cord and brain and activating the inhibitory pathway, which is coming from brain to spinal cord. And that's the reason they are decreasing brain awareness of pain. So when you still have the pain, but your brain, you're not aware of the pain. Okay, if somebody really wants to go in more detail, we had something else here. So if you really want to know, this is basically how you sense the pain and how brain responds to the pain. So let's say how opioids do. Opioids work. The opioid, first of all, they block the information from here because opioid receptors are inhibitory in nature, so they're going to block here. And then what can they can block the information right here by stopping blocking the calcium channels. And then they can block the information here by increasing the potassium efflux. Remember, they'll make this neuron more hyperpolarized. So basically, it's not going. The information is not going to the brain. Plus, let's talk about this guy. This is very interesting. So this makes sense. The information is going to brain, and then opioid is going to block this. That's very simple. But how this is working? So if you look at the normal situation, this is how it looks like. This is your primary sensory neuron, which is this one. And this is your secondary sensory neuron, which is this one, which is going to take information to the brain. And this is under influence of, this is a normal situation. And now look at that, we're going to talk about this descending neuron. So this is descending neuron, and this is under control of this GABA neuron. So normally, this is a normal situation. So GABA is relieved here. What GABA is doing, basically, GABA is inhibitory. What will happen to this neuron? It can inhibit. So in normal situation, this is what happens. So this normal neuron is not functional. It's not functional. Let's see what happens if injury occurs. This sensory neuron is going to pass this information to the secondary sensory neuron. So the information goes here, and then down this neuron gets it. Then basically that you sense pain. This information gets in the head. So let's see what happens to when opioids bind. So opioids, we looked at the effects right here of opioid, but let's see what happens to what opioids do to this descending pathway. So these are opioid receptors, so let's see when opioids bind. So if opioids bind to these opioid receptors, what are the opioid receptors? Those are inhibitory. So what they will do, they will inhibit this GABA neuron. So see this GABA, it's gone. So now this was a break on this neuron, but now the opioids have removed this spring, and basically it's going to release this inhibitory neurotransmitter here, which is going to inhibit this and see what happens. This information is not passing there, and you don't feel pain. So I hope so. I drew all those things. I hope so. This makes more sense now. But if you, I know it's way too complicated. It could be. Make sure that you know this, that opioids elevate pain threshold by interrupting this process which is going to brain, and by activating this inhibitory process. So this is the mechanism how opioids